Okay guys, this video is for resolve an issue I have with my Mac M1 and iPad Air M1. I just want to use the Sidecar with only display the iPad as a main monitor. And as you can see, you can watch here in display section, we have only iPad. Okay, the MacBook is closed, it's already closed. So how can I do it is fix. It's pretty easy, but Apple don't say anything about it. Okay. So I'm just try to do it again. So you have just to open your monitor and plug the USB-C to USB-C in the iPad Air, and you have just to lock your screen, as you can see. Okay, and close. When you close, your iPad automatically disconnect from the Sidecar, and we have to unlock the iPad and just move, the Mac, and I already unlock thanks to Apple Watch. And this is the main display. So this is the way. Just lock the display, close, plug in with the USB-C. I don't know if it's already working without. We can just try. Yeah, you can just use it without the USB-C too, but I prefer to use it with the USB-C. So when you plug, it just automatically switch to the USB-C mode. Is more fast. You see the switching. That's all. So I tried to find this way on YouTube, on Reddit, but nobody talking about. So I just thinking to make a video. Thank you so much. Sorry for my English, and see ya, guys.